Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we will be learning the names of body parts in English and Hindi. आज की इस वीडियो में हम शरीर के अंगों के नाम इंग्लिश और हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं सीखेंगे. Let's get started. Toe in Hindi is पैर की अंगुली. Finger in Hindi is उंगली. Thumb finger in Hindi is अंगूठा. Index finger in Hindi is तर्जनी. Middle finger in Hindi is मध्यमा. Ring finger in Hindi is अनामिका. Little finger in Hindi is कनिष्ठ. Eyes in Hindi is आँखें. Lips in Hindi is होठ. Face in Hindi is चेहरा. Palm in Hindi is हथेली. Shoulder in Hindi is कंधा. Temple in Hindi is कनपटी. Ear in Hindi is कान. Eyelid in Hindi is पलक. Chin in Hindi is ठुड्डी. Chick in Hindi is गाल. Nose in Hindi is नाक. Forehead in Hindi is ललाट. Tongue in Hindi is जीभ. Neck in Hindi is गर्दन. Chest in Hindi is छाती. Brain in Hindi is मस्तिष्क. Tooth in Hindi is दांत. Jaw in Hindi is जबड़ा. Skull in Hindi is खोपड़ी. Head in Hindi is सिर. Navel in Hindi is नाभि. Foot in Hindi is पैर. Hand in Hindi is हाथ. Ankle in Hindi is टखना. Knee in Hindi is घुटना. Thigh in Hindi is जांघ. Elbow in Hindi is कोहनी. Stomach in Hindi is पेट. Waist in Hindi is कमर. Bone in Hindi is हड्डी. Muscle in Hindi is मांसपेशी. Lung in Hindi is फेफड़ा. Eyeball in Hindi is नेत्र गोलक. Gum in Hindi is मसूड़ा. Joint in Hindi is जोड़. Eyelash in Hindi is बड़ोनी. Kidney in Hindi is गुर्दा. Wrist in Hindi is कलाई. Vein in Hindi is नस. Uterus in Hindi is गर्भाशय. Soul in Hindi is तलवा. Nail in Hindi is नाखून. Hair in Hindi is बाल. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.